been a while since we've had to get this dressed up to go out. What's up, guys? Well, today I'm going to be showing y'all this awesome little helicopter that was sent to me. So this is the S107H-E hovering function remote control helicopter. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, I tried this in the office the other day and it was not didn't feel safe to me, so I decided to come out to Zilker Park today. One, because it's such a gorgeous day, the sunrise was amazing. But two, like, Zilker Park has really big, wide open space, so I don't think I'm gonna hit anybody with this. And if I fly it into a tree, I think everybody would be safe. I hope I don't fly it into a tree. So I was reading the instructions, and it's not too difficult, but it is, you know, especially from flying the drone that I fly, it doesn't really maneuver the same, especially, like I said, when I was in the office. It doesn't really hover as well as a drone, but again, it's a small toy helicopter, so I'm not going to judge it too much for that. It does have a little area where you plug it in and charge, and then you have an on and off switch, and then same thing with the controller. You got a couple buttons here on each side. This is for the transmitter, up, down, left, right, and this is kind of the functioning everywhere. I'm going to put this on the ground and give it a quick fly and see what it flies like. I chose the green one because I thought it looked super cool. I'm a fan of the color green. I love the Green Lantern, not the Ryan Reynolds version. All right, so right now it's on. You can tell it's on because it's flashing some lights. Controller is on. Let's get it up in the air. And now's the perfect time to say that if you want to get yourself one of these cool little helicopters, I suggest the green one. Make sure to click the link below. It's going to send you to the Amazon page, and there's also a discount code that you can use to get 5% off of your order. Thanks a lot.
I wasn't with the sauce.
Look at that big smile. Take a bite.
Is it just touching it? Mmm.
His hand's all black.
You're gonna hold it by the handle. Sorry. You're gonna hold it by the handle straight out. One, it's gotta be by the handle. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. All right. Time is up. 25. You're not proposing, Coach.
Who's gonna be first out, y'all?
Straighten that elbow out on the end.
Yes, you are. Dad, you're a big one.